Hi, welcome to Hellma Analytics. My name is Oliver Mandal and I'm happy to present you our new process flow cell. Let's have a look at it. First of all, the product provides additional safety. The measurement cell is CE certified and can be used in ATEX environment. Second, the flow-through cell is made of very robust materials. It provides a unique metal sealing. This technology allows maintenance-free operation in almost any kind of application. Our welded optics will provide additional safety for your process. The optics cannot accidentally be misaligned. In addition, you will have a high transmission and highest accuracy of the path lengths to support method development and transfer. These are the most important aspects of our product. If you would like to get additional information, please take a look at our website. There is also a configurator showing a broad range of products, and I'm convinced there is also a suitable product for your application. I wish you a beautiful day and don't hesitate to contact us for further information.